Welcome to Big Island, Hawaii. Welcome to your private tropical retreat. Tucked away at the end of a quiet street in the highly desirable Pualani Estates, this home offers a rare sense of peace and privacy.
Aloha, I am Chiaki Yamada, real estate broker from Big Island, Hawaii. I'm excited to show you this beautiful home.
Situated on an oversized 8,785 square foot lot next to a large vacant space, you'll enjoy a tranquil atmosphere that's hard to find in this neighborhood. Boasting over 2,650 square feet of living space, this is one of the largest floor plans available here.
Aloha, welcome.
Inside, the home is bathed in natural light. The main level is designed for connection, featuring a massive living room and a beautifully appointed kitchen. With ample cabinetry, a large island, and a dining area built for an oversized table, this is the perfect setup for hosting family and friends. Step through the sliding doors into an outdoor oasis designed for the ultimate island lifestyle. After a long day, you can soak in the private hot tub and enjoy the tropical surroundings. This massive concrete patio features a custom gazebo and plenty of room for your dream barbecue setup. The main level includes a half bath and a dedicated laundry room with a walk-through pantry that connects directly to your two-car garage.
Now, let me take you to upstairs.
As we head upstairs, you'll find luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire level. This floor plan features 3 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom, including 2 expansive suites. Just down the hall is the expansive west-facing junior suite. This large second suite includes its own full bath and captures a beautiful ocean view, providing a high-end experience for guests or family. The 3rd bedroom and bath round out the upper level perfectly. This versatile space offers so many options, whether you need a dedicated home office, a hobby room, or a private guest wing. The main primary suite is a sanctuary, featuring a newly remodeled bathroom and a walk-in shower. Primary suite opens onto a brand new covered lanai, the perfect spot to enjoy those morning breezes.
If you or anybody you know who's thinking of selling or buying real estate on Big Island, Hawaii, I'll be happy to be of your service. Mahalo!
Modern comfort is built in with recent exterior paint, split central air, and a 26-panel solar system with 2 LG backup batteries and net metering. Rare size, 3 full baths upstairs, and incredible value. This is Kona living at its best.